first thing I do before I place my trade is to start my analysis from the D1. Don't do analysis from the lower time frame. Start from the higher time frame, and I start mostly from the D1. So from the D1, the formations we can gather here is that the market sold. There's a total of strength in this find sellers than buyers. So we have this long candle domination. Sellers were really involved in this market for a couple of days, and the only time we are seeing buyers I think some days ago. We saw buyers here, we saw buyers here, but that's not enough to give the market over to the buyers. Okay, but this also can also mean that the buyers are beginning to take control, or are beginning to surface to take control over the market. So this could also mean that the sellers are getting weaker and the buyers are beginning to take domination. So don't dispute the fact. Yes, data percentage tells you that the market is in the hands of the sellers, but this can also mean that the buyers are also taking over the market. So let's confirm our theory, or our information we just gathered now from the higher time frame. Let's confirm it from the smaller time frame. Let's know what actually is happening at the lesser time frames. So we go to the H4. From the H4, we are seeing structurally, looking at structure, we can see that each time sellers came to this zone, the market was pulled up. Okay, and each time buyers came to this zone, the market was pulled down. So each time sellers took the market buyers took the market upwards, and they lost control and sellers took over. And when sellers got to this position, they lost control and buyers took over, and sellers did again, but could not reach the support line. So buyers took over but could not break. Sellers took over but could not break the support line. Buyers took over, and now currently sellers are in the market to take it down. This is a flag pattern. It's a downward flag pattern. It tells us what actually one thing. The market is actually about to reverse. When you see a downward flag pattern, it tells you that the market is about to reverse. So, but if the market is about to reverse, why are we actually in the trade? If the market is about to reverse, why are we actually taking a sell trade? And we're taking the short term because of we know that the market is going to sell for a certain bit of time. It's going to sell from first of all, we'll sell from this point, from here to this zone. So we are hoping to collect small profit from here to here. Okay, remember, as the angles keep going up, it keep getting smaller. So you're not put from this side. You want to put your profit at this area here. Okay, so it's already there. In fact, it's already there. Actually, it's already there. But this is the zone that we're taking our profit, our first profit. Now, market is a game of probability. So you don't you're not expecting the market to go longer, because the market is giving us a downward flag pattern, and from structurally speaking, the shape of the market actually be tilting upwards than down. So that's not even knowing the flag patterns, looking at it based on past action, you can say the market has been tilting slightly upwards, telling you that the buyers are actually taking the market. They are changing the direction of the market. You can see that it is slightly. You can see that structurally the market is slightly going upwards. if the sellers were taking control, the market would have been structurally facing downwards. But structurally speaking, the market actually is changing direction, and that's why you see the sellers are actually losing this fight here. So if I want to actually catch the reversal movement, I can wait for the market to get to this position here, to this zone here, and then place a buy order. So for now, I'm involved in selling because I believe market will still sell to this point. We're currently on profit, so market will still sell to this point. Now, but when I came, this market took me about 3 minutes to analyze. I look at certain structures and then I just took my trade. And this is exactly what I saw that made me just decide that I'm going to sell. Okay. First of all, is the orderliness of sellers. Sellers are too ordered, and I knew that market will sell. Just look at we have this zone here. We have this zone here, and we have this zone. So you can see the ladder-like pattern. Like it's like a ladder. It's like a staircase. First stair, second stair, and third stair. So that alone will tell you that the market is making it's in degrees. It's coming down. So that alone can tell you that the market really will sell. So any trade that comes to that zone, any buyer that comes to that zone, market loses strength, and then sellers takes over. So I just knew that the market will sell, just seeing that structure alone. Even now, I'm even seeing other things, other informations, but to know that the market will do at that exact time is structure. So when I saw this step-like pattern, I knew for sure that this market will sell for now, because the reversal stuff will happen, but not now. Okay, to happen maybe in 2-3 hours, 4 hours time, but for now, I just saw that and I knew the market is selling for now. It would be wrong for people to go and buy at this point because they don't see the structure. But seeing this, I knew the market will sell for now. If the market was at this zone when I came in, I would have voted for buyers from the market to go bullish. Okay, but because market is at this zone, and I saw that the previous day candle was actually a red candle. Okay, red candle. You can see the red candle there. And I saw it was a red candle. I just knew that it's forming that step-like pattern, and sellers are keeping to their order. So I knew the market is going to sell. And what can I see here? The market it's about $70 each, about $20, and the market even gave us up to $300 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, this was about $153 each. That's almost $400 or more. So I'll be showing you the result of the day. At the result of the day, remember what I said. Based on probability, the market will definitely going to come to this. The market would come to this zone. Would come to this zone. Would come. It will then reverse and break out. So I'll be showing that at the end of the day, what is our result? Did the market break through? Because definitely the market cannot stay here ranging or at this confined space. The market has to make a decision. So it has to make a decision that will give it its course of direction. So I will show you the result at the end of this phase, and we will know from what I'm seeing here, the probability of the market reversing is up to 90%. The probability of the market maintaining its course downtrend is about 70%. Okay, 90 because of structural. I thought the market is tilted upwards, and that tilting alone tells me the market is going to go up. It's going to buy. It's going to break out of this zone with a bullish trend. Okay, so we will see at the end of the day which analysis was correct. So we'll do a video later on to show you the result of this trade. So this is how I do my analysis, and stay tuned for next video.
5 hours later.
Welcome guys, I hope you remember this video we analyzed in the morning. We can see that the markets did some very interesting stuff. For instance, it broke the flag pattern and then went up. This was based on our prediction. We predicted that the market was going to buy. We predicted about 90% that the market was going to buy, and we can see that the market bought. Okay, this is a very interesting conclusion, and it's a very good one. We gave 3 reasons why we believe the market will rise up. For us, it's a game of probability. It is the highest probability you go for. And what we did earlier was that we predicted a short sell run and then a buy. The first sign was that we saw the flag pattern, the downward flag pattern. This was the black pattern that gave us the hint that the market would definitely reverse, and that was it. That was the first one. The number 2 was the way the buyers were interacting with the support trend line, the way they were interacting. And the third one was the nature of the tilt. There was a tilt, but it was not, the market was not tilting downwards. The market was tilting at an angle about 45 degrees. I'm not a math student, but I don't know, 45 degrees upwards. So that gave us a clue that the market was going to go up, was going to go bullish. And you can see that the market has retested. If I can go to, let me go to smaller time frames like H1. Okay, you can see that the market has done pretty interesting things. The market has retested. So the market broke as of look at this is the clear picture of this is H1. The market did what it did, and then broke and then retested, and then it's going up. So in a moment up, you can see that the market was in this flag. Then we had our short sell run that we benefited. We made money this morning from. And then when it got to this point that we said was a danger zone, this support trend, support trend and line, it's reversed back with a huge spike, and then we had the spike, boom, and then it came back, retests this trend line, now turn support, and then boom. So this is exactly what we predicted. We said that the market would 90% reverse, and we gave about 70% or 80% rather for the continuation. But remember, in Forex, once you have done your analysis, you've checked the mathematics, and you've given. In fact, the mathematics is the more points you have. When you do your percentage, you look at how much points do you have can you give to buyers. We gave buyers more than about 3-4 points for them to rise, but sellers, we didn't give them about 2-3 points or 2 points about. Sellers had, first of all, was a flag pattern for the buyers. We saw that the buyers have this flag pattern, and according to the structure, when you have a downward flag, it's definitely going to go, it's a reversal pattern. Downward flag, it's a reversal pattern. That is one. And number 2 is that the structural shifts. The market wasn't tilting downwards. The market was tilting an angle upwards. So that was a good, that even knowing structure, flag and blah blah blah, just still the way the market is tilting, will tell me buyers has more strength in the market than sellers, and that is enough indication the market will definitely going to buy. So I would have even bought from this angle, from this point here, and catch all this and make over $2,000-$3,000. Okay, so that is that. The market played out well. We made some good profit. I think I'll show you I'll show you later. So that's that. So when you're doing your analysis, ask yourself several questions. What between buyers and sellers, who's going to move this market in the given direction? Who has more points? Who has more storyline to tell? Who has more reason to move the market? By the time you ask yourself those questions, you will certainly see the reason why buyers or sellers should move the market upwards. This morning we asked ourselves several questions, and we got 90% move up for buyers than for sellers. Okay, we had more reason why the market should buy than sell. The only reason we had for sell was because there was a general downtrend. That was the only reason why that was the only reason we had for sell. The second reason was the perfection of the structure of the resistance. That was the two reason we had for sellers. But that alone only suggested a short run. I remember what I said in my other video, that this alone was only suggesting a short run, not a longer run. But for the buyers, there was a higher probability of a longer run, and we gave it a 90%. Those reasons were the flag patterns, the structural shifts, the structural tilt. We also had the way they interacted with the support region, and then so that is that. So I'll be doing more analysis to show you guys how I take a trade, because there are different scenarios, there are different scenarios, there are different outcomes. So we will see those scenarios and we will weigh our outcomes and then learn together how to trade. And I hope if you actually like the video, if you actually like the classes, please subscribe to this channel so you can learn more and get to understand more about price action. Remember,